What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a case for the Oneplus 6T. Now this case was purchased on Amazon for $8.95, no prime shipping. It did take about a week or so to arrive, but this is a Oneplus 6T magnetic case. It has strong absorption magnets, built-in aluminum frame, and it has a back tempered glass case. So meaning the back of it is tempered glass, it is scratch protected, and it has a metal magnetic cover that sits on top of your Oneplus 6T. Let's go ahead and unbag this case and see what we're talking about. Bam. Now, link will be in the description if you are interested in this type of case here. And they did provide a tempered glass screen protector for the front, but we already have one on right now, so I think we can do without for now. Boom. Let's go ahead and pop this aside. We do get a screen protector, and the back, like they said, is glass. You can hear it. That's pretty cool. This comes apart like this. You do have magnets there, if you can see the magnets all around the frame, and then you have it as well as on the back piece. I don't think there's a plastic back here, but there's one on the back. Bam. Let's remove that. Look at that beauty. So this is good for phones that have skins that you have applied to skin, and if you want to show off that skin, let's go ahead like that one right there. To a D brand skin is the dot matrix or matrix effect. They are not a sponsor to the video. Maybe one day, but not today. So let's go ahead and place the phone on the back piece of this case, and then let's get the top of this and go over it. Bam. You can see it just went on there super fast and strong. It's not gonna fall apart. Look at that, dude. This thing looks crazy. I don't know if you can get a good look. So it looks very nice, feels very premium. It's aluminum all the way around, and you do have a glass back. The front is sealed, but it is tempered glass screen protector friendly as well. We do have this one from OMOTON. This is a very cool one as well. Let's see the screen protector that came with it actually. Let's take a quick look at this one. Is it about the same size? It's just a little bit bigger. Let's apply this one and see how it works. Let's go ahead and remove this one. So this is $8.95. You get a premium case, aluminum case with a glass back, and you get a screen protector for $8.95. No prime shipping, but it did come in about 2 weeks. It arrived, so that's not too bad. But let's check if the screen protector works with the fingerprint reader, and it does. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Now I do have some air bubbles right there and along the side, but I think those would tend to disappear within a couple of hours. So those will gradually go away. The case feels very premium. It's going to protect your phone. If it takes a fall, it's probably going to split in half. The magnets are pretty strong there. You do have your proper cutouts for your speaker, your mic, your charging port. The charging port does work for any power cable. Bam. As you can see, the cutout's just perfect. The button here, the power button, feels nice and tactile, very easily pressed. The slider button here is a little difficult to get to, just because it sticks out a little bit too much, but I think if you angle it at an angle, you can kind of get it. Let me see. Let's pop it. Yeah, that portion here is a little bit too difficult to get, but If you have like a little bit of nail, you can kind of get it, or if you use your pinky, you'll get it. Cut out for the mic on top is good. The volume rocker also very nice and tactile, very easily pressed. And you do have these cutouts all around the case, and I'm assuming that they're for antenna purposes, so the case itself won't block your reception. Let's go and get off of Wi-Fi and see how the bars are looking here. I don't get too much good reception up here in the studio, but let's take a quick look anyways to see if the case affects it. But I do got about a bar here. Let's clear all that out. I do have like about a bar, let's say. Let's go ahead. So what we're gonna do is gonna remove it from the case itself down. Yeah, I do got about a bar, and see if the signal goes up. So let's remove the case here. Bam. Put that back on there. And it went up a lot actually, so be aware it might affect your signal. I'm not too sure. It went up quite a bit after removing it from the case. Let's go ahead and place it back on there and see if it drops bars. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. And it does seem like the signal does drop just a little bit, so be aware. Other than that, it is a good phone. It's a magnetic case, aluminum all the way around. You do got these cutouts for the signal to bounce out. It does seem like the signal does drop here and there, so be very conscious if you are going to purchase this. It might affect your cellular network, but besides that, very premium case. Feels good. You got this nice glass back on the back, and it comes with a screen protector for the front. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in picking this up, the link will be in the description. And like always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.